In any divorce case, there are two important issues. How is custody determined if you have children, and how are the assets going to be divided?
The issues are so complicated, we work together as a team. In a divorce case, this is especially important.
In any case where children are involved, our preparation begins with the issue of custody. The court, in determining the issue of custody, will take into consideration many factors. It's our job to prepare your case in such a way that we are able to persuade the court that it's in the best interest of your children that custody remain with you. There are many factors which a court would look at. One is which parent has been the primary caretaker of the children leading up to the divorce. I represented a young woman who was a teacher. At the direction of her husband, she gave up her teaching career so that she could be a stay-at-home mom and he could focus on his professional career. And in this case, the father played absolutely no role, or a very limited role, in the upbringing of these three children. And we use that in determining the issue of custody in this case. Another factor that a court would consider in determining custody is which parent is the better of the two to promote and foster the relationship of both parents. We have a case which we handled recently where it was clearly the father, because he did everything to make sure that the mother stayed involved, while the mother did everything to try to cut the father out of the child's life.
The most gratifying thing for me is taking a case that looks very difficult at the beginning and dealing with that individual. They may think that there's no light at the end of the tunnel. And then after we get the outcome that they were looking for, knowing that putting in the time and effort to do the extra work led to that outcome that everyone told them they couldn't get.
In many divorce cases, one spouse is considered to be the money spouse. That person controls the finances. For the other party involved, that's of concern because they don't know how the assets are going to be divided. It doesn't matter whose name the asset is in. If it's acquired during the course of the marriage, it's a marital asset subject to distribution. Our job as your lawyers is to identify and value every asset to make sure that when the assets are divided, they are divided fairly.
When you place your trust in us, you can be assured that we will work tirelessly to get you the best possible result. There's no better feeling than to help someone in a tough situation.
If you are facing the uncertainty of a divorce, call us.